Hello guys, I'm Viraj Sharma. So today I'm going to show you how to make Copilot from scratch as we learned yesterday about coding assistants and Claude code. So it's a bit inspired from that. So today I'll tell you how to build a very simple but powerful Copilot use from scratch. So this Copilot basically uses Gemini API, and it's a bit of agentic AI, but actually does not have loop of correcting itself because it will expire a lot of token and it will make code very messy, and I think we should not make automation much easier. We should balance automation with some human reviews also. So here I am importing requests modules for the Gemini API and JSON for parsing the Gemini API output JSON. And here I'm using OS for creating directories and VNVs. And here I have the JSON tools which I sent to Gemini, that which tool to you, that what are the available tools. And here I'll ask the user the prompt that what to build. And here I have the API key file. So, and this here I'm loading the API key file, and here I'm adding here I'm the JSON syntax, that what is the syntax of JSON to what is the syntax of JSON which Gemini will give output as plan. So as we know, agentic AI does plan, observe, plan, act. So it's doing the three same things. So basically it will output in this the plan in this syntax. And this is a system prompt, that what task, that what is the task as is, in which it will assign it a task as coding assistant. And it will when it and then it will keep the requirements, that how to generate the plan. Then it will give the goal that what plan will be there. And this is the payload. And here I'm loading the Gemini API response. And here I'm parsing the tools or plans which it extracted. And then after that, here I'm using the if else condition, that if some tool is visible in any plan, if the which tool is visible in the plan, so what to do. So like create folder as this code and mkdir. And here we have here we have file creation, in which there are two parameters, file path and content. And we have we have a tool which generates the virtual environment. Now let me run the code. uh, so for example, I input it a prompt. So it will take quite of a long time, and then after that it see generated. It didn't take quite long. It was shorter than expected. See here, it generated your link. So here, see here, it generated your project, in which you have VNV, and you have app.py, and you have database models and all that. So I can actually improve it by deleting it. I will again prompt it to make better one, because since it does not have loop, so I have to basically add some front end in it. So let me copy this prompt with front end. So it will generate another project file with different name. Mm, Sorry, let me delete this file. Mm, so here it will generate. So it's causing a bit of problems, but see, it generated see it generated the LinkedIn clone in which we have app.py and front end as JS and CSS, and this is the app.py. So it's almost like LinkedIn, but it's a dummy project of LinkedIn. So thanks for listening to my speech. So you can check this Copilot in GitHub also, because I have committed it in my GitHub, and some of you network me can check this code in GitHub and read it. Thank you.